Hello, seventh grade science. We are going to go over what week 5 is going to look like. This week, we really want you to focus on getting caught up. So we are going to be reviewing our past material this week, and we're going to turn in our missing assignments. So when you go to your modules, you'll see your week 5. It's going to look like this. This is our review week. You are going to have your week 5 student self-serve grade check. So for that, you're going to click on it, and it is going to take you to a page that looks like this. So week 5 student self-serve grade check. This is where you're going to find your current percentage, so your current grade that you have in science class. You're going to see your frontline or your team's login. You're going to use your login and you're going to log in. Then you're going to find your grade that you have in science class. You will submit your grade in the text box below, and then you will click Next. After you click Next, it will take you to your assessment of the week. Your assessment is simple. This is like your exit ticket. You really just need to answer, is your current class average above a 70 or below a 70? Okay, so this is where you're going to try to find your grade, not from Canvas, but from your portal, and you are going to answer your current class average. Is it above a 70 or below a 70? Okay, so that is going to be your assessment, and then you're going to have a review. We want to keep this week simple because we really want each and every one of you to be successful in 7th grade science. And for that, we're going to need everybody to start turning in their assignments. We know online learning is different and difficult, and we are here to work with you, but we have got to get our assignments turned in so that we can make sure we are learning and getting good grades in our class. If you have any questions, feel free to email your teacher or come to tutoring hour on Friday. Have an awesome week, guys.